Phai tongnai 20 December Shalmari ni simi Auliwo North Eastern Council eba NEC ni plenary session sangkhajaknai Shaltamromui cholinai North East ni Kaisar Hastini a planning body ni achuglaimwng Phai manjakna bagai Phai tongnai 20 December Shalmari hastewa Phai tongkha NEC ni chairman eba Kendriya Union Home Minister Amit Shah achuglaimwng Pragya Bhavante Ujanta Prasad ongnai krakshala Pragya Bhavante Ujanta Prasad berainaikha bagai thangka Mantri Okra Dr. Manik Shah Mantri Okra no logi rekha Okra Sachiv JK Singhani logi haste administration ni kujuk thani naikolai rok a thairok achuglaimwng khlaida mano abono tuino aroni naikolai rok baibo kok shaka Mantri Okra aboni ulo koktum thumnani buskang Mantri Okra Dr. Manik Shah saklaikha 20 December Shalmari ni simi agliwo NEC ni achuglaimwng sangkhajaknai a achuglaimwng no Kendriya Union Home Minister Amit Shah Phai manjaknai a achuglaimwng no kitingai thairok berainaikha bagai phaikya Mantri Okra Botibo saklaikha North no tei bobo haike kujugo kariwai manai abono teibo achuglaimwng gosimung na harjaknai satai klaibo achuglaimwng Kendriya Union Home Minister Amit Shah no karibo Kaisar Hastini hastefa songbo Phai manjak phainai hini saimankha
The 72nd plenary session of NEC will be held in Tripura. So because of that, I have come here along with all secretary. So we have already visited all the areas where the guests will come and visit the people. So we have checked it, and I think it is up to the mark. The preparation is going on, and I think we can show something that we have prepared to welcome our honorable Home Minister Sir and all the chief ministers of the Northeastern region as well as our government. So I think it is up to the mark. I am satisfied with the preparation.
When is the Home Minister?
We will be coming most probably 20th evening, and from 21st the meeting will be started.
So what is the USP, a unique thing that Tripura is going to project?
You see, it is Northeastern NEC meeting. No?
Yeah.
So here we will talk about our development so far, what we have received from the Honourable Ministry. So that will tell what we have made. Everything will showcase our.
Bureau Report Kokkhara.